okay then.
Down, man. Burkham going full up.
Oh shit.
Pull the fuck up.
I know they ain't about to try to do the.
Oh, he about to spin through.
God damn it. God damn it. Who next? Yeah, Burkham. Oh, you. Burkham Park. Burkham, bro. In the hood. We're in the hood at Burkham Park.
I'm staying on laugh all day with you.
Right.
She said, I love this shit. She said, I love this shit. She said, I'm staying on laugh with you just like I'm there.
Really?
She said, I love this shit. But the one chick that we know, look, she talking about, that's why black people can't have anything.
Yeah, they having it.
Right. They got it.
All right, what you mean they can't have it?
How come they can't have it when they got it?
They got them.
That don't make no sense. Make it make sense. Ain't nobody out here shooting and nothing. Niggas having fun. Oh shit. Woo! Woo! Niggas some rebels. Uh-oh, oil change. Oil's motor. Oh, she got it back. I'm out here at the port.
He gonna fuck his clutch up.
No,
He
we'll
gonna
go to
stick.
the blast. We in the hood, man. Look. You said what?
Oh, there, boy. Cool. Hey, tell him.
That bitch turp.
Hey, I like that shit, bro.
On blood,
Yeah,
that
this
bitch
bitch.
turp.
Oh, they want to smoke this whole blunt. Huh?
That bitch turp.
Woo.
That bitch turp.
Got another one. $300. The 300. I got off early. It's up.
Nigga,
It's up.
don't play with us. Don't fuck with them Dayton niggas. Don't fuck with them Dayton niggas. We millionaires.
Let that man bring him on camera. First four. That motherfucker there. Woo! Hey, that motherfucker there. Woo! That's stupid, man.
He got down with it.
And the motherfucker know you. You hear me? It's gonna be tires first thing in the morning. These niggas probably got scared already, though. Hey. Doing that motherfucker. Bro said he gonna blow it, bro. Woo!
That nigga not remember though?
No, that
Nah, nigga, that was a Mustang, nigga.
That was a Mustang?
Right.
Yeah,
No,
boy.
yeah.
That motherfucker.
Oh, and that gray one.
That gray one.
Hey, yeah. That, even the little one got stupid.
Man,
Damn.
that 300, he surprised me though, because it just looked like a regular 300.
He gotta straighten that bitch.
He
No.
came in that bitch. Yeah, his uncle put that in for him. Big unc. Good.
Shorty, keep watching, boy.
Ooh, that's the-
What when we tap in?
That's the Lac V. That
Listen, tap in.
motherfucker just started up sound like a whole truck and shit.
I like that one girl right
Oh, we about to go.
there. With the red hair. Look. Right here on the left, in the red hair.
Yeah.
Nigga, that's one of our Facebook friends.
Oh man, what are you doing?
We're about to turn out. Watch. We're gonna hit the grass first.
Trying to
You
get
gotta
him
straighten
slick.
that bitch. You hear that?
Nigga, that ain't no straight. That's a
That V8?
nigga. That's a vet motor.
That's a V12 there.
Nah, it's a vet motor. Probably supercharged. It's that Cadillac V.
Man, that
That's
shit
V,
costs
bro.
like 12 bands.
Nah, them probably like 35.
Bands?
Yup.
Damn.
I don't know. That might be the old one.
Melissa. Yeah, buddy. You need to come down here and kick it with us.
That's like,
You need to come down here and kick it with us, man. You be playing, man. I've been trying to tap in with you.
like them SS's and them G8s. They got them vet motors in them.
Hey, that one nigga was on here at the liquor store earlier. He had the sky blue, electric blue Corvette. That nigga was stupid in that motherfucker. Fuck, nigga.
Damn, that motherfucker was loud. I seen it.
Yeah, they tripping.
Where y'all going for that shit, man?
They tripping.
Man.
I'm like, yo,
God damn, tell a nigga.
I need to watch everything. That shit. I'm like, yo.
Damn,
Yeah.
that
Motherfucker, boy.
That shit was loud.
Woo.
That shit was close.
God damn.
She said, this bitch mad because I'm at the park. She said, I'm outside now. She said, I'm about to get dressed. I'm outside. All right, bitch, you keep playing with me. I'm gonna bust your whole grill up, bitch.
Man, don't go to jail behind no bitch.
Right.
Don't go to jail behind no damn fucking
Right.
court, bitch.
We gotta be out here get some milk.
Come on now. You better think logically.
She mad because I'm up here.
I don't give a fuck. Don't go to jail. Don't put your hands on that girl. Don't go to jail over
I ain't gonna go to, I ain't gonna
And
hit her.
then now you really lose.
I'm just fucking
Go ahead.
sister.
Okay, I'm gonna lie. Shh.
I'm gonna fuck her sister. Fuck it. I'm gonna do it the hard way.
You were my brand. Thank you, girl.
This is it. This is it.